guys, welcome back to my channel Travel Wonderful. Hello my wonderful people, how are you? In this opportunity I'm going to be doing one of my favorite videos. We are in foodie mood. We're gonna be trying some of the best Venezuelan street food over here. In this opportunity we're gonna be trying so many different dishes of this beautiful country. So remember to subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and remember as usual to leave a comment below. Enjoy the video. Travel Wonderful. Our first stop in this street food tour here in the Hunger Street, Calle del Hambre, is this place called Estefana, and while it's not located on the street, it is located in the same area of the Calle del Hambre, and this amazing place is specialized on cachapas, which is this sweet corn-made pancakes, and it has a great variety of Venezuelan cachapa. So this is a very traditional plate here in Venezuela, and we have ordered one that has pork belly, fried pork, cheese on top, and so many other things. So I cannot wait to show you what it's like. So guys, look at this. It has arrived, our amazing cachapa, and look how incredible it looks. This is not the traditional cachapa. The traditional cachapa will be without all these toppings on the top. This one has the toppings of pork belly, chorizo, and fried pork. So I cannot wait to try it and tell you what it's like. On the side we got a chimichurri sauce on the side for you to put on top or on the inside. So without further ado, let's see what it's like. And we have also ordered a side of papas chéveres, which is basically fries with bacon on top and Parmesan cheese. It looks yummy, but the one I want to try the most is definitely the cachapa. So let's try it on right now. So let's try the Venezuelan cachapa. This can be a street food, as you can find in food trucks or in restaurants. So it is part of the daily cuisine of the Venezuelans. So let's try it. So as I was saying before, on the side you go usually queso telita, which is a very typical Venezuelan cheese, and on the top all those toppings I previously mentioned. So let me see how I'm gonna fit this all in my mouth because it's a lot. It is a huge portion, but it's delicious. You got to try this cachapa if you come over here. However, I'm telling you, you need to bring your friends, because one of these is too much for one person, in my opinion, unless you are super hungry. Really good. I will do this, but I'm sharing with my friends, but I will do this if I could. I will put all the sauce all over. Really good. I highly recommend it. This cachapa has a price of $9.99, so basically $10 for this amazing cachapa. Really tasty, and I can feel all the flavors of the corn. Really fresh, and obviously all the protein on top. Absolutely great. So guys, in this journey actually I'm not alone. I'm super lucky to have actually the person who edit my videos. This is Jose. Hi. So all the edition on this video is made by him, and also my previous videos. We got here Luis. Hello. And Luis. So Luis times 2. So they are actually in this journey with me, because otherwise I will be super fat if I go everywhere and eat everything on my own. So I'm super lucky. Something very important is that in this place they don't sell alcohol, but they are super kind that they say you could just buy it on the market next door and just buy it over here. I believe the price of this beer was something like $1. So $1, and yeah, you can bring it all the way here. So I'm gonna let my friends eat as well. So Luis, what do you think about the cachapa we just tried on right now?
This is the best cachapa in Venezuela I ever tried.
Really?
It's so good with the pork, yes. Yeah, so
why you think this is the best one?
I think it's the best cachapas because you have all these toppings and you can have different tastes every time you eat the cachapa. Yes.
True. As I said before, the traditional, you don't have these toppings on top. And the correlation, price, quality is very good. So this is what is left, guys. So we finished the cachapa and we are already still hungry to try the next places. He didn't eat cachapa, so he wants to go to the next place. What do you think about the cachapa?
The flavor of cachapa is a little bit sweet, but the combination with the chorizo and the pork belly is very amazing.
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's move to the next place.
Oh, wonderful.
So while this place is called Calle del Hambre, so the translation will be hunger street, you end up everything but hungry. You got so much variety of places. You got Chinese food, you got barbecue, you got Argentinian food, Mexican, and obviously Venezuelan, which is the main one we are showing you in this video. But yes, stay tuned, and we're going right now into the next place. And you go even some bars, like obviously they are not the fanciest, but if you want to come for a bit of a party on a budget, you can do it over here. That's a place actually where we bought the beers for $1 when we were eating the cachapas. So our next stop in this amazing street food tour here in Venezuela, it's going to be to try the famous Venezuelan arepa. This is the dish which is the bread and soul of Venezuelans, and we are in this place called Arepera 13 and 4. And yes, arepas are these amazing round cornmeal patties that can be grilled, baked, or fried. So let's see what it's like. We have ordered 2 different arepas to try, and we are super hungry, but at the same time super excited. And this place is important to know that it has this very resemblance to the brand of harina pan, which is the traditional flour that the Venezuelans buy to make arepas. And the name comes because of the proverb 13 and 4 over there. So I'm gonna leave you here the translation, but it says el perezoso ambiciona y nada consigue, el diligente va cumpliendo sus sueños. So it's pretty much saying like the lazy doesn't get anything in life, but the one that works hard makes their dreams come true. So our 2 arepas have arrived. So we have ordered 2 of the most popular ones. So the first one we got over here is called Reina Pepiada, and it consists of the filling of avocado, chicken, cheese. So as you can see, it's really big. The filling, it has mayonnaise as well. Yummy, yummy. The next one next to it is the one with the filling of shredded beef and Gouda yellow cheese. So without further ado, guys, let's try it. They look amazing, and as I was saying before, this is part of the Venezuelan daily cuisine. You can eat it either for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and could be either a street food or even something you can make at home. So the translation of Reina Pepiada will be something like Curvy Queen, and it was actually invented in 1955 in honor of the Miss World Susana Dujin. So really interesting fact, and very important to know all these little secrets about the Venezuelan arepa. So guys, I don't know how to eat it even, because of the filling, it's too much. I mean, the good thing is they give you kind of a fork, so you can kind of control the situation. But without further ado, let's go. I can taste some cilantro as well on the ingredients. I believe I missed that explaining. So yeah, the texture of the avocado is really good, it's on point. The cheese is very salty but delicious. It has a mixture of flavor with the sort of a bit sweet arepa and the salt of all the ingredients. Really good. I highly recommend it. Okay guys, the next thing that we're gonna try, as you clearly can see, this is not a Venezuelan dish, this is sushi. So obviously this is from Japan. However, all the ingredients are from Venezuela. And something very interesting from Venezuelan culture is that each dish, which is international, they accommodated into the Venezuelan culture. So in here obviously we got the robalo, which is the dish from the Venezuelan coast, and we got fried plantain. So let's try it to see what it's like. Have you ever tried sushi with fried plantain? For me, this is not something, you know, like very common. Have you guys tried before sushi with fried plantain? Obviously, you are from Venezuela, but
Only once, and it's really good.
Saluda. So without further ado, let's go after all the words from Luis. You know, he talks too much. It's time to eat. So I think this on top is like cheese, like I'm not sure, but let's find out. So as you can see, all the fried plantain on the inside, avocado, cucumber, and the fried plantain. So let's try. Really good. I like the sweetness of the fried plantain and then the mixture of the flavor of the salty robalo fish and the avocado. It's something different, something definitely to try on. And we believe what's on top is sort of like a cheese. Yeah, it is cheese with other salads on top. So if you are watching from Japan, I'm sorry guys, we kind of ruined the traditional sushi, but I got to say, it's delicious. Guys, another thing that is actually on each Venezuelan table and people gathers to eat it, you know, for special occasions, is the tequeño, which is this sort of like baked dough wrapped with salty cheese on the inside. So they have this shape. I mean, kids, when they go to school, they take that for breakfast or for lunch. So it's something super traditional over here, and it has actually become really popular all around South America nowadays. So let's try it. It comes with some, I believe it's garlic sauce. This is one of my favorite Venezuelan foods because I've been eating it for so many years. For those that don't know, I'm actually Venezuelan, but I live in the UK for so many years. This is something that I miss so much. Look, the cheese on the inside. It's just delicious. So guys, this is what is left from the Venezuelan sushi and one tequeño. Who's gonna be the tequeño, the last one?
The champion.
The champion, Mr. Romeo. Sing a bachata.
Si te invito a una copa y me acerco a tu boca, si te robo.
Something that is very normal over here as well in this Calle del Hambre is to find these little places in which, apart from having food and drinks, you can do some karaoke. So it's a whole adventure coming to to try street food. You go drinks, you got music, you got karaoke, you got everything over here in the Calle del Hambre, here in Valencia city. So much fun, guys. So guys, for our last stop of this tour of Venezuelan street food, we have come to this place called Los Perritos de Gustavo. So the translation would be something like the little hot dogs of Gustavo. And while this might look just like a regular hot dog, it isn't, because you might know that the regular hot dogs is literally just the sausage and maybe some sauce. In here we put literally every possible ingredient. So we got cheese, we got onion, we got bacon, cheese, pickles, all sauces like mustard, mayonnaise, ketchup, and this costs only $3 US. I mean, how cheap is that? And there are places in which they are even cheaper. But these ones are like highly recommended by my friends. Luis, as usual, is talking too much. And we got another guest here.
Hello.
¿Qué te gusta de los perritos aquí de Gustavo?
Son diferentes, sí, son diferentes a todos los demás. Tienen como un sabor intenso en las salsas y se siente la diferencia en las papas y el pan específicamente.
Okay, thank you so much. Oh well, Luis, he's out of the ordinary. Instead of ordering hot dog, he ordered a burger, but I'm very curious to see what his burger is like actually. So, ¿qué es especial de esta hamburguesa?
Carne, bacon, queso cheddar, cebolla caramelizada, básicamente eso.
Boring. Time for a wonderful fun fact. Do you know that in Venezuela you can find street food vendors serving up as many as 10 different sauces for hot dogs alone, or even for arepas, ranging from avocado-based guasacaca to sweet pineapple sauce. This means you can customize your hot dog in countless ways. If you could invent a brand new sauce to top your street food, what flavors would you combine? So I'm about to try the perrito raro. The translation is something like weird hot dog. So look. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit all of this in my mouth, but I'm going to try my best. She was right. It's so different. It's so soft. The bread, like, it feels like if it's melting in your mouth. It's extremely soft. The mix of flavors of all the ingredients together and the cheese on top, just wow. You got to try it. Totally different to any regular hot dog you can try in New York. Sorry, New York, but your hot dogs are not the best. The best hot dogs are here. Well, this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It has been such an adventure. So it will be until the next opportunity. See you on the next time.
Travel wonderful.